Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In today's video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to find your Shopify store URL, whether you need it for marketing or customer service. Here's how you can locate it quickly. So now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Once you've logged in, you will be directed to your Shopify dashboard. This is where you manage all aspects of your store. Look at the top left corner of your dashboard and you'll see your store name with a small icon next to it. Click on this icon and it will open your store in a new tab. The URL in the address bar is your Shopify store URL. Simply highlight the URL in the address bar and copy it. You can now share this URL with your customers on social media or use it in your marketing campaigns. And that's how to find your Shopify store URL. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.